Hey everyone, today I am going to teach you how to make a smooth slide transition in Alight Motion. If you haven't subscribed it, do it now cause we are going to go a long way. So, do you want this?
I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but
So, without wasting any of time, let's get jump into the tutorial. So, open Alight Motion and create a project and set the setting in the 1080p and 60 frame rate per second. And add your clip here. And set the bitmark in the last point and the first point in the clip, and add a null layer and merge with the clip. And set a keyframe with the last frame and the first frame. First frame keyframe is make sure to zoom out and set the graph like me. And the second null is post transform. This part is optional if you need zoom.
Town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe.
And done. Here is the transform. And now add effects for smoothness. Click the video layer and go to the effect and search tiles. And on the mirror section and setting 1.015. And add second effect is called motion blur and set 60% and add exposure and gamma. This is optional if you need. Now copy my settings. And copy the effect and paste in the second video layer. And now this part is optional if you need to black bar.
Show any fear.
And now set the opacity if you need. So finally that's it for today. Like, comment and share. For the next tutorial you can also suggest what you all need.